Welcome back to TechExpress. In today's tutorial, let's going to show you how to add a subdomain to your website using GoDaddy. Subdomains are great to organize your site and can be used for a blog, a store, or any specific section of your website. Let's dive into the process of creating a subdomain into GoDaddy and explore how it can be benefit to your website. What is a subdomain anyway? A subdomain acts like a separate website under your main domain. This is going to be helping you. For example, blog.yoursite.com is a subdomain for yoursite.com. Subdomains are ideal for segmentation your site content without needing to purchase additional domain names. Make sure you have your GoDaddy account ready to get started. So first of all, I'm going to go into my GoDaddy account, accessing your domain settings into GoDaddy. Once we are in here, you want to navigate to your domain control center. And here, what you want to do is to go for manage your domain. Here, you can see the list of your domains. Find the domain you wanted to create, add a subdomain for, and click into access into the settings. Now we are here into our domain. Now let's create our domain. Once you are into your domain settings page, look at the Manage DNS, which is in here, or just DNS settings section. Here you will find the option to add a new record. So here, click into add and add a new DNS record for your subdomain. Now select the name of A. In this case is this one. For the record type, if you're pointing to subdomain for an IP address or CNAME, if pointing it to another domain. Now configuring your subdomain record. And the host field, enter the name of your subdomain. For example, blogged, if you're creating blog.yourself.com. Then fill the blogs into the address either with an IP address or another domain. Now ensure you fill out these fields accurately to properly direct traffic to your subdomain. So for example here, into my name, I'm going to type blogged. Usually into this new section, I'm going to type my domain that we have just added here, which is TechExpress Ltd. So I'm going to go back and here into the value should be TechExpress.ltd and hit now into save. Now let's save and test your subdomain. After entering your details, you wanted to save your new DNS records. DNS changes can take a little time to propagate, so don't worry if your subdomain doesn't work immediately. Once the changes have been effective, test your new subdomain visiting it on the web browser. Sometimes, once again, it might be taking a few minutes there. So what we need to do is to make the redirect of our DNS from a custom domain into our DNS of your GoDaddy, in this case of the blog.techexpress.ltd. So guys, that is how we can do it. You successfully added a subdomain to your GoDaddy domain. Subdomains can be available adjacent to your website, offering a way to clearly organize and present different types of content. Remember that it might be taking a few minutes, so be patient there. If you find this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to TechExpress for more website management tips. Got any questions or tips of using subdomains, you can drop them into the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we wish you to success with your new subdomains. Stay tuned for more tech tutorials from TechExpress. See you soon.